welcome back to another Arctic Fox video! Let's go! Today, we're doing 2 rounds of Airsoft. And today, our cameraman is actually going to play for once.
Instead of chickening out like he did last time.
Yeah, supposedly he was sick. So let's get into this. Alright, let's get this on. We're doing 2 rounds. You guys going to follow me, and then you're going to follow the cameraman next. But he's kind of already gone.
Yeah.
But let's go. Hey, we're gonna do a 3, 2, 1 count. When ready, we push. No camping. A 3, 2, 1, go. You see, it's kind of in full automatic because I'm a cheat. All right, let's go. Oh, you got it? All right, here we go. It's Bronson versus Kylie. We can give you a 3, 2, 1 count, Bronson. All right, I will be going with Kylie.
Bronson, send me. You guys ready? You ready? Go.
Yo, I'm sorry for my heavy breathing.
Hit. Where are you?